How to earn rewards on Ucard. Follow the instructions. Log into your UHC member account online to check reward-eligible activities for your plan. Complete your annual wellness visit to start earning rewards through your Ucard benefits. Get recommended preventive screenings like mammograms or colonoscopies to earn points. Receive a flu shot or other eligible vaccinations to collect more rewards on your Ucard. Participate in fitness or wellness programs that qualify for Ucard reward points online. Manage chronic conditions with approved care plans to earn consistent reward credits. Track completed activities and earn rewards through the Ucard section on your account. Redeem your Ucard rewards online or in stores for eligible health and wellness products.
Thanks for watching.